If you've ever searched for ways to get free Robux, chances are you've come across a site like Drss.site promising easy Robux without spending a dime. But before you jump in, ask yourself, is this too good to be true? In this video, we take a deep dive into Drss.site to see whether it's a legit opportunity or just another cleverly disguised scam. Right off the bat, the site raises serious red flags. It was only registered in 2025, making it extremely new with no credibility or track record. There's no mention of it on Roblox's official site and no endorsement or affiliation of any kind. As we explored the site, we found multiple shady redirects, fake human verification tests, and pages filled with broken links and annoying pop-ups. The entire design feels rushed and unprofessional. More concerning is the complete absence of transparency, no company details, no contact information, and not a single genuine user review to back up the site's claims. It's also worth noting that sites like these often lure users into giving away their Roblox login or personal data under the promise of free rewards that never arrive. While we didn't find direct evidence of theft, there's nothing trustworthy or secure about this platform either. Bottom line, if your Roblox account matters to you, it's better to avoid sites like Drss.site altogether. The risks far outweigh the promise of free Robux, and in most cases, these kinds of websites exist only to exploit curiosity and compromise your security.